Maaga pa nga lang ay marami na ang nag-abang kay Kim Chu, dahil ngayong araw nga ay guest si Kim sa ribbon cutting ng Hair Fix sa SM Mall of Asia ngayong araw, si Kim Chu din ang ambassador ng Hair Fix.
Thank you so much sa pagpunta. Kim, your fans have been here since early morning sa Nado Pangmol. Nakita ko sila with the posters. Yes, hello. Yes, oo nga, kaya maraming salamat po for coming this early to support Hair Fix and also me. Maraming salamat everybody. Kim, so officially opening the Hair Fix Hair Mixing pop-up here at SM Mall of Asia. I would like to invite the Hair Fix management team, Watson's partner, and of course, I'll be staying here beside Kim Chu for the ribbon cutting ceremony. We welcome the photographers, media friends to take the official photo before the ribbon cutting. Mga fans ng Kim Chu, I would like to hear you shout for her name. Are we all ready for the official ribbon?
Pasaya na lang po, atras ng